Right, laser level, the Bosch one. Working fine. Everything's working. Problem. Broken glass. Broken windows aren't actually that big a deal. You can just buy them separately. They'll be cheap part. Pane of glass and a piece of double-sided glue, double-sided tape. Just need to take out the old one first. This is just double-sided tape, so it's not that hard to clean off, just a wee bit of patience. Flat object, that'll just unroll. Nice flat edge or something. I'm just using a blunt chisel. Doesn't have to be blunt, this one is blunt. And just slowly unroll it. That's all you need to do. Don't need any solvent or anything like that there. The actual window on this doesn't actually stick down. The window goes on first. There's nothing to actually hold it down. It's not glued down or anything, it's sitting there loose. It's this here pad that goes on afterwards. There's a wee rubber plastic edge on it that just holds it down. And you only get one go. That's it. One new window. Spot on. Easily changed and very cheap. That's the part number there if you're looking for it. Plus there's also square ones on the top and the bottom as well.